Selling your home in Ontario. Start with decluttering to showcase its true potential. Decluttering isn't just about making your home neat and tidy. It's a purposeful process to make your home look appealing to potential buyers. This concept may seem intimidating at first, but with a strategic plan in place, it becomes an achievable goal. Commence with a solid game plan. Take each room in your home and inspect it carefully. Every room tells a story, and you must decide what chapters remain and which ones need to be edited out. Remember, every piece of furniture, every painting hanging on your wall contributes to the narrative of your space, and every item in view should add value, not distract or diminish. Borrow inspiration from real people who have taken this journey. Take John and Sarah, a couple from Toronto. They took their somewhat chaotic space, transformed it with strategic decluttering, and made their home more presentable. The transformation wasn't just aesthetic, it also translated into monetary benefits. Their house sold quicker and fetched a higher price than they had anticipated. Their story is a testament to what strategic decluttering can achieve. In this decluttering journey, you're not alone. There are numerous resources available to you. Local donation centers, professional organizers, and online marketplaces are all tools at your disposal. These resources help you manage your process efficiently, whether it's getting rid of unwanted items or organizing the ones you choose to keep. The act of decluttering goes beyond just improving the visual appeal of your home. It allows potential buyers to visualize themselves in your space, making it a crucial first step towards a successful sale. With the right approach, strategic decluttering can not only change how your home looks, but how it is valued. Ready to transform your home? Start decluttering today and unlock the true potential of your property.